That's a cup of yellow cornmeal. Half a cup of flour. And put a teaspoonful of baking powder. And about a teaspoonful of salt. I'm going to put about a half a teaspoonful of soda. About a half a teaspoonful of garlic powder, instant garlic powder. We put some onion salt on that, about a half a teaspoon of that. You stir all your dry ingredients together real good to where it all look like yellow cornmeal. Now I'm going to beat this egg pretty good. You notice I put that egg, one egg that I beat the daylight out of them eggs. I've got a cup of buttermilk in this pitcher, but about 3/4 of a cup to a cup it'll take, I know that. I got some green onions, some shallot. I'm putting that on there. And I use my finger to brush this out with. Ooh-wee. To turn these every now and then, this is where the fun comes in. Try to get them to stay over. And you cook them in about 350 to 375 because you want the center done. So you cook them slow, and you come out pretty and brown and done just like that right now. That'll look good.